And a very good evening to all my viewers out there. It is right now Sunday, June the 12th, 2022. It's exactly 10:32 p.m. We're here at the Berri-UQAM Metro Station. Now look at this. We got our new card readers installed, at least one of them right here. And just to show you, these are the older ones. I think these have been here since around 2008 or so. This is when the Opus card first came out, replacing those old style paper tickets and whatnot. And we're going to try it out now. We're going to see what this new card reader looks like and sounds like. And we got our Opus card here ready to go. Nice little sound, I like it. So there it is, the new card readers. And as I said, all these will be implemented on the system in the coming months or so. And I'm glad I got to show you this new card reader. And I don't know if you can do it again. Let's see what it looks like when you try to double scan a card. So there you go. When it's declined, that's the message you get. And just to show you on the older ones, that's what it looks like. And one more look here at the newer ones. There it is. All right, have a good night all.